name is Swati Hegde. I'm from Sirsi. I'm with Stellabs for last 4 years. I have always been passionate about financial inclusion. As a farmer's daughter, while growing up, I never realized the issues a farmer faces with respect to the financials or the access to financials. So when I got this opportunity where I could make some difference in farmers' lives, especially dairy or any agricultural farmer's life, I just took it. I've handled multiple roles in the last 4 years' time. I was recruited as part of the program management. I had to take care of the back end. I did not know much about the credit. I had not worked much on the credit products. So I have started, I started working on the credit products. I took over the partnership kind of a role. I also took care of a lot of payments related, products over a period of time. I have built a team, and it's been extraordinary. I don't think there is a single day where I've gone home without learning anything new. So the work what we do with the dairy farmers, it's extraordinary. Just want to give you information. So we have done around 30,000 loans, and 60% of our farmers are new to credit. That means they have never taken any formal financial facility from any of the lenders. So you can imagine there are so many banks, so many NBFCs in India, and they have not even gone to a place which is just 60-70 kilometers away from Bangalore, where we are talking about Kolar, where our major operations are. And 60% of the farmers have never got any financial access. So, this makes us think when we talk about inclusion, it can be a financial inclusion or a gender inclusion or whatever other inclusion we are talking about. We never realize it's, for some people it is so difficult to get, any opportunities. So that is what, motivates me in this job, which keeps me on my toes. And every single day when I go home, I know for sure we have made difference in somebody's life. So one thing I really appreciate about this organization, Stellabs as a whole, is I have not faced any gender biases, even with the senior management or with my peers or my colleagues. There is no differentiation between the gender. There is no biases.